Okay guys, welcome back to my video. Today I want you to show that the exercise, the homework, your homework is very easy. Yeah. So number one, we have AB plus BQ plus QP. Yeah. I don't think the picture is useful, so I will use the formula instead. Yeah. But if you don't understand the formula, you can use the picture also. So AB plus BQ, we can cross out the B, and then Q plus QP, we can cross out the Q also. Therefore, the answer will be AP. Yeah, it's very easy. Next is AQ. We can cross out the Q, B, and B. The answer will be AD, and then this one also AB. Yeah, it's very easy. Next is number 5. OAB is a triangle, so maybe we need a picture first. Yeah, so for number 5 we have triangle OA and B. Yeah, given that OA equals to A, so after you have one of the factors, you have to put it into the line. Okay, so OA is this line, and then the name is A, so I will put the label A. And then OB is B, like this. I will put it as B. Yeah, M and N are the points between A and B, such that AM is 1 over 3 AB. So AM is M is closer to A, yeah, than B. So M will be right here, M, and AM is 1 over 3 AB. N equals to 3 over 5. So N will be at the top, N, yeah, 3 over 5. Okay, OM, A, express OM. Okay, so we have to find OM. Before we find OM, I want to find the number of bukan the number ya, the name of AB. Okay, factor AB. I want to find factor AB. To find a factor AB, I have to move from A to B. Ya, tapi agak muter gitu. So for this one, I will move from A, go to the left, and then go up until I reach B. Okay, because I move to the left, so the formula will be AO, and then plus, go to the top, OB. AO plus OB. Take a look at AO. Yeah, we don't have AO, we only have OA. The OA is B, the OA is A. Ya, because kita lawan arah, jadi kamu tulisnya negatif A. Because OA is A, then AO will be negative A. Yeah, the opposite factors. And then plus OB. Do we have OB? Of course, OB is B, so I will put B right here. After that, I get AB. So AB is negative A plus B. After that, I can find AM. Let's try to find AM. The question says the AM is 1 over 3 AB. So I can say also the factors of AM equals to 1 over 3 the factor of AB. 1 over 3 times AB is negative A plus B equals to negative 1 over 3A plus 1 over 3B. Okay, we already have AM, yeah. The question wants us to find OM. Let's try to find OM. OM is this one. Yeah, so to find OM, it's easy. You only have to move from O. I will erase this one first. You have to move from O to M. Yeah, from O to M. O, go to the right side, and then go to up. Yeah, go up until you reach M. So the formula for OM will be OA, go to the right side, plus AM. Do we have OA? Yes, of course, OA is A. Plus, do we have AM? Yes, of course, which is this one. Yeah, negative 1 over 3A plus 1 over 3B. For this one, it's not involving opposite factors, so we don't have to put minus right there. So after this, you only have to add them, 2 over 3A plus 1 over 3B. There you go, this is for OM. Okay, after that I want to find ON, but before I find ON, I want to find AN first. Do we have AN right there? Okay, AN equals to 3 over 5 AB, yeah. So I can find AN equals to 3 over 5 AB. The question says equals to 3 over 5 times AB. AB is negative A plus B equals to negative 3 over 5A plus 3 over 5B. And then after that, the question wants us to find ON. So for ON, I have to move from O to N, yeah. Go to the right side, then go up. So the ON will be, the formula for the ON will be OA plus go up AN. Do we have OA? Of course, it's A. Do we have AN? Tuh yang di atas tuh, baru aja kita ngitung ya. It's not square, oh my god. Negative 3 over 5A plus 3 over 5B. After that, you only have to add them. This one is 2 over 5A and then plus 3 over 5B. There you go. That is ON and OM. After that, number 6, OABC is trapezium with CB equals to K times OA, ya. Trapezium. Okay, let's try to redraw the trapezium. But this time it's bigger. Okay, like that, ya. Because it's trapezium, we already know that the trapezium, the two sides are parallel. So this is A, B, C, and then I have E right here. Okay, let's try to give the name for each of the line, ya. OA equals to A. The first is this one. OA equals to A, so I can put A right here, OA, and then OB. OB equals to B. OB. Okay, this one is OB equals to B. And then after that, the question wants us to find OE and DE, ya. CB equals to K times OA is also important. Okay, to find that, I want to try to find AB first. Yeah, so the trick is find the other line that you can find. Ya, jadi kalau kamu bisa cari AB, ya cari dulu AB-nya. Kalau kamu bisa cari AC, ya kamu cari dulu AC-nya berapa dan seterusnya. Kalau kamu udah punya banyak nama garisnya, itu lebih gampang. Okay, let's try to find AB first. Ya, AB equals to, so AB is this one. To get AB, I have to move from A to B, ya. Move to the left side, then move diagonally. So the formula will be AO plus OB. AO is the opposite of OA. The OA is A, so the AO will be negative A. Plus OB. OB is satu arah, ya, searah berarti B. Dah, dapat AB-nya nih. Okay, after that I can remove this highlight, ya. And then after I get AB, what can I do next? Can we find CE, CB? Of course not. Can we find OC? We cannot also. Okay, after that CB equals to, oh CB ada nih, CB equals to, so I have CB equals to K times OA. Because we already know OA, so I have CB equals to K times A. So this CB is K times A. The question wants us to find, wait a minute, OE. OE is this one, yeah. Okay, so to find OE, we have to move from O to E, go top, and then move to the right side, yeah. After that, we have the formula for OE. OE equals to, go top, that means OC, and then plus CE, ya. Oh, but unfortunately, we don't have OC, and we already doesn't have CE, ya. OCE punya sih, tapi OC-nya nggak ada. Kita jangan jalan ke sana, ya. Let's try to find another route. Oh my god, so hard. Wait. Okay. So for OE, let's try to find another route. Maybe I can go diagonally and then move to the left side. Okay, so the formula will be OB plus BE. Okay, OB is B and then plus BE. Nah, BE kita nggak punya nih, kita punyanya CB. ya. Kita coba bagi dua dulu. Because E is the midpoint of CB, that means the K times A can be divided into two parts equally. So this one will be half KA, and this one also half KA. Okay, so we have EB now. EB equals to half KA. That means BE is the opposite of EB, negative half KA. Therefore, we already have OE. OE equals to B minus half KA. That's it. Okay, this is OE. Yeah, and then after that, the question also want us to find DE. DE. This one is D. Where is D? Wait. D are midpoint of AB. Oh, there is D right here. D, the midpoint, yeah. And then the question want us to find DE. Okay, let's divide this AB first into two parts. So I can have AD equals to, AD is half of AB, yeah. Equals to half times AB. AB is negative A plus B. So I have negative half A plus half B. So this one is negative half A plus half B, and the other one also the same. After that, the question want us to find, I want to erase this first, DE, yeah. DE is go there. So I have to move from D to E. Move like this. Go up and then go left, yeah. So I can tell that DE equals to DB plus BE, yeah. So DB, what is DB? DB is half A plus half B, and then BE. BE is the opposite of EB, yeah. If the EB is half KA, so the opposite will be negative half KA. Okay, this is the answer. Maybe you can combine the A, yeah, it will be half K minus half, and then bracket A, and then plus half B. There we go. Okay, next. Number 9. In the diagram OAB is a triangle with OA is A. So I will put this A, and then OB is B. OB is B, and then M is midpoint of on OA, yeah. M is not midpoint, point on OA, such that OM equals to 2/3 OA. So I can find OM first. OM equals to 2/3 of OA. The OA is A, so OM is 2/3 A. After that, I can remove this A, yeah. I will have these two factors. The OM is 2/3 A, and the MA is the rest from A, ya, karena tadi totalnya itu A, and then we already use 2/3 of them, so the rest will be 1/3 A. After that, N is midpoint of OB. Oh, this one is midpoint, ya. Kalau midpoint langsung kebagi dua. Yang tadinya B, this one will be half B, and this one will be half B divided by 2. And then the X is is the point of intersection AN and BM, given that AX equals to, okay, maybe we should find AX first, and then we need to find AN, ya. BX, okay, so first we trying to find the other factor that are not in the picture. Maybe I can find AB first, ya. AB equals to, if you want to find AB, you have to move from A to B, go there, and then go up, yeah. So the formula for AB will be AO plus OB, guys. AO itu lawan arah, jadi negatif A. OB itu searah, itu berarti plus B, ya. So I have AB right now, negative A and then plus B. Then maybe I can find BM, maybe, ya. I can find BM. BM itu berarti kamu jalan dari B ke M, ya, jalannya ke sini. BM itu kayak gini, Nah, kamu jalannya dari B ke M. Mau ke kiri boleh, mau ke kanan juga boleh. Ya, ke kiri misalnya itu kita lawan arah ya, lawan arah. Jadi formulanya BO plus OM. Because BO is the opposite of OB, so it will be negative B. Plus OM, OM is 2 over 3A. Nah, udah dapat nih. Berarti kita udah dapat BM. BM-nya adalah negative B plus 2 over 3A. Okay, let's try to find BX first. Okay, BX equals to mu times BM. The question says BX equals to mu times BM. Because we already know the BM, we can find the BX equals to mu times BM negative B plus 2 over 3A. After that, we can multiply negative mu B plus 2 over 3 mu A. Okay, we already have BX. And then after that, AX, yeah, AX. We have to find AX, but before that, I want to find AN first. AN itu ke sini. So you have to move from A to N like that, yeah. So AN will be AO plus ON. AO is negative A, ON is half B. So we already have AN, and then the question says also AX equals to lambda times AN. AX equals to lambda times AN. AN is negative A plus half B. And then after that, negative lambda A plus half lambda B. Okay, we already have AX. Dah. Nah, kalau udah dapat, dia tanyanya express OX. Nah, sekarang kita mau cari OX. Oke, kita hapus lagi. OX is this one. OX is this one. So I have to move from O to X, ya. Go up and then go to the right. So OX equals to ON plus NX, ya. The ON is half B. The NX is, mana tadi NX? Oh, we don't have NX. Sorry. So don't move like that, ya. Let's try to find another path. So we can move like this. So OX will be OA plus AX, ya, because we already know the AX. OA is A plus AX is negative lambda A plus half lambda B. After that, we can minus it. This one is 1, ya. 1 minus lambda equals to 1 minus lambda A. And then the B is half lambda B. That's it. We already have OX in terms of lambda and A and B. After that, OX again, but this time we have to use mu. Okay, this one is OX. Nah, tapi sekarang mu-nya harus terlibat, ya. Tadi kita punya mu itu di BX. So we have to find OX, ya. The path should be involve BX. Jadi kita ke atas, terus ke bawah sini. So the formula for OX for this time is OX equals to OB plus BX, ya. OB itu B, BX itu tadi udah dapat negatif mu B plus 2 over 3 mu A. So the result will be 1 minus mu B plus 2 over 3 mu A. There we go. Okay guys, I think that's it for today. I hope you can understand this. Yeah, if you don't understand, you can ask me via chat. See you guys. Bye bye.